Today I'm here with a tool called Sherlok. Here you can see the Sherlok tool. It's used for hunting down the social media accounts. Now you can see that I'm searching for a user ID here. It will point out all the user accounts for that particular user in the social media.